If you're a guy 5'8" and under, and you're tired of struggling to find clothes that fit, then this video is for you. In today's video, we're talking about Erie, a brand that has everyday clothing for men of great heights. But first, the intro. Welcome back, gentlemen. My name is Jace and thank you for tuning in. On this channel, you'll catch videos about style, cigars and whiskey, different product reviews, and more. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you. And I invite you to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Listen, guys, being a short guy myself, I know the struggle of trying to find clothes that fit, different shirts, and even having to shop in the kids section, so I understand the struggle. But I have found a brand that specializes in making clothes for men like you and me. The amazing people at Erie were kind enough to send me some gear, so let's check out and see what we have. Have a nice pair of black jeans, a nice white dress shirt, and a striped button-down Oxford shirt, which you can see me wearing right now. I decided to do a little try-on video so you guys can actually see how they fit, so you can get a good idea of what you'll be getting when you check out Erie. Now, after you see me try on these clothes and you're interested in checking out Erie, I'm gonna leave a discount code down below so you can get some money off on your first order. Cause, everybody likes to save some money, right? As you can see here, in outfit number 1, I'm wearing their Indigo striped everyday shirt in a small slim, and I decided to pair it with their black rinse wash everyday jean in a size 28-27. Now guys, this shirt is very comfortable and I think it fits me pretty good. So what I like about it the most is that you don't have a lot of extra side fabric. The sleeves fit you just right, they hit you just right on the arm, and the length is just right. What I mean by the length is just right is that it doesn't fall too low below the crotch area. It kind of hits about midway down the crotch, so it's good enough to be tucked or left untucked. Let me know in the comments below what you think about outfit number 1. As for the jeans, they fit perfectly. Now I got them in a size 28-27 and they hit, the inseam hits perfectly. I'm glad that I went with the 27 instead of the 28 because usually with the 28 I still have to cuff the jeans and I don't like that look every single time I put on a pair of jeans, you know what I'm saying? So with Erie, you can go all the way down to a size 26 for an inseam. So for, you guys that are like 5 feet, 5'1", I think that's perfect. So keep that in mind. Before we move on to outfit number 2, if you like outfit number 1, again, like I said, if you're interested in checking out Erie, I'm leaving a discount code below so you can save 20% off of your first order. So check them out. Now for look number 2, I decided to swap the Indigo shirt with the white dress shirt, but I decided to keep the black jeans, but dress it up a little bit. So check this out. Like I said, I decided to keep the black jeans on and add my gray blazer and some suede chukka boots to complete this look. Again, this shirt is very comfortable throughout the body and mimics the same structure as my other dress shirts in my closet. The great thing about this shirt is that I won't need to get it tailored. And it's also a nice touch that they added metal collar stays in addition to the plastic collar stays that came with the shirt. Personally, you guys, I really like Erie. Like I said, they're a company specifically making clothes for short men like me and you. There's only like maybe one other company out there that's doing that, and so this is monumental for us short guys because it's already tough enough to go out here and try to look and feel our best, but our clothes don't fit properly. So with Erie, they're helping you do that every day. Now personally, like I said, I think the pants fit great and the shirts fit great. The one thing I was concerned with the white dress shirt is that the collar wouldn't be long enough to fit up under my blazer, but I think it turned out great. If you're interested in any of these looks and more, be sure to check out AshenErie.com and use the discount code listed below to receive 20% off of your first order. Once you decide to cop some gear, do me a favor and tag me in your best picture on Instagram. I love to see your looks. That's all I have for you today, gents. Like I said, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be the first one to know when I drop videos like this. That's all I have for today, gentlemen. Peace.